Hello YouTube and welcome back to Psychology Every Day, day 65. Figured it was time, beautiful day and all, to shoot a little bit outside and talk about some life updates. Most importantly, I'm getting my beard back, which is nice. So I've got a lot of things going on, trying to stay busy and whatever. This is not a good angle. There we go. So I'm renovating a room in my house, which is fun, but I also realized that renovating costs super duper much money. So when I'm done with this room, I'm gonna chill out and do something else. Feel like working more. I do work part as a part-time fireman, and I already work a bit more than standard, but I would like to fill my days with additional work. So I'm looking into that. Of course, the semester in school is coming to an end. I'm almost done with the fourth semester, which is the second year. We got information about our internship this week, and I got a very good pick order. I got fourth in the list, I believe, which means that I'll for sure get something that I really like. Been looking into, we are allowed to, find our own spots, but it's difficult for me because I do like, psychiatry, and just picking off that list is well and good enough for me. If there's anything else that I would want to do, it's sports psychology, but it has to be, the internship has to be with a psychologist. It can't be with a coach that does sports psychology. So I'm looking into it, but I'm not super duper hopeful. Also talked with a friend about some other opportunities, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Other than that, it's been 3 months, I think, since the breakup. And even though I'm doing a lot better, still rough. Always been of the opinion that love is the meaning of life, and finding your one true soulmate is the best thing ever. And I did experience that as well. I was so happy. But you have to adapt and move on, and doing a lot of things is a great way to do that. What else? Well, the workouts and training isn't going super well. Still working out, but felt crappy the last couple of months. Well, the latest 2 weeks really. So I usually work out 7 days a week, and now maybe I've worked out like 4 days a week, which is maybe better, but I don't do very long workouts either. So I don't know. I'll have to get that shit in order later this summer, perhaps. I did submit the paperwork for getting a motorcycle license, which I look forward to a lot. I'm also, this is the kind of renovation that I really like. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna flip the screen. I built this ramp. It's not done yet. Where the carpet is, I'm gonna put down this big stone, and I have an entrance for my motorcycle. And that was free. So that is good. I like free renovation. Anyway, this is a garbage angle, but I don't care. What else? Oh yeah, of course, I'm studying this summer as well, Jungian psychology. So it's not like I don't have anything to do, but I find that I have a lot of spare time, and one of my hobbies has always been to make money. So if I can find some kind of work that I can do, that'll be fun. Kind of miss being in the woods. I was a lumberjack for 1.5 years. The problem is that it's very, very demanding on your cardiovascular ability. It takes like 3 weeks to get used to it, for me at least. So, the barrier of entry is a bit high. Anyway, I'll check it out and look into it. There was something more I wanted to talk about, but I don't remember. Anyway, tomorrow I'm off with Isaac and some of his friends to go to jump yard, which will be a lot of fun. And take care of yourself and make sure to spend some time outside in this beautiful weather. Please like and subscribe as well, and thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed, liked and commented. Makes it so much fun to do this. I don't do it for the views or anything like that, but of course it's more fun when 50 people is watching than when 5 people is watching. Have a great day, everyone.